Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on my two Hermès Evelyne. I have the Evelyne TPM, the 16 centimeters, and I have the Evelyne PM, which is 29 centimeters. So actually this is a front. So I thought that a lot of people are debating whether to get the smaller size or the larger size. There's also one additional size, the GM. I think that's like 31 centimeters, but wrong. Evelyne comes in TPM, which means très petit modèle, which is 16 centimeters. And then petite modèle, PM, which is 29 centimeters. And then there is GM, grand modèle, which is 33 centimeters, and très grand modèle, which is 40 centimeters. And PM I feel like this is one of the more popular sizes. I mean, I don't know. But anyway, before I get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I make videos on luxury items, in particular luxury bags, travel, and basically anything that I find interesting or fun. So I've gotten a couple questions as to which one I prefer, whether it is the Evelyne PM, it's the Evelyne 3 PM, or Evelyne TPM. I will link the dedicated reveal unboxing videos of both of these items. Both of these are not fancy bags, they're casual bags. A lot of times I wear it like this. They're both Clemence leather. This feels softer to me because this is older and this is newer. This was made, I believe, early 2020. Like those of you who've been watching, you know that this was a bag that I originally bought for my mother, and then she didn't like the color, so I got her a different color, and this one came to me. So it was sort of something that I wasn't looking to get because I figured that I already had the PM size, and I was really happy with the PM size. But once I got it and started to wear it, it is so stinking cute. It is crossbody. The one thing it doesn't have is an adjustable strap. This is just non-adjustable strap. It is detachable. Look at the size difference, guys. Look at the size difference. There is a huge difference. Okay, I'm gonna measure my Evelyne PM. I've also tried the Evelyne GM, and it wasn't that big of a difference in size, actually. So the width is 29 centimeters, as I said before. And then the height is about 28 centimeters. I would say 27 and a half or 28. And the depth is about 3 1/4, about 8 centimeters or 3.5 inches. Those are approximate measurements. Okay, this is 17 centimeters, which is on top, but in bottom it's 16 centimeters, right? And then from here to here, it is 7 inches or about 18 centimeters. And the depth it's 5.5 centimeters or a little over 2 inches. Quick overview of what I'm going to put in is a shopping bag, nylon shopping bag, my Hermès scarf, that's 140 centimeters by 140 centimeters. Here's my Zoe wallet. Here's my phone, which is the iPhone. It's just the iPhone large case that I have. And clay with my keys and driver's license and a credit card. Hand sanitizer. This is a card, Louis Vuitton card holder. Round coin purse from multi-pochette accessoire. Mini pochette from multi-pochette accessoire. It's just a glasses case, another glasses case. This is just in case, I don't want to use a hard case. I can put it in a soft case, makeup remover, and a pouch that's about the size of a mini pochette accessoire. Okay, so what can I put in? I have a bag organizer here. Oh, I forgot. There's also a mask, which is easy to shove in anywhere, right? Okay, so phone case. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the edge. Mini pochette from multi-pochette accessoire. The coin case, card holder, clay, makeup remover, glasses, it's a little pouch, Zoe wallet, and shopping bag, hand sanitizer, and then the mask. See, this is what it looks like now. See, I still have room, so I'm going to put this scarf Hermès scarf, and let's see if it has no problem shutting. Now, I'm gonna try to put everything here into Evelyne PM. Look at the difference. Can you guys see the difference? Right? Okay. First thing first, obviously this isn't gonna fit. This, if I put this in, it's too tall. Okay, so not that. Zoe wallet, which has most of my cards. This one, I could put it in here, but I think, oh, let's just put it in here for now. Okay, what else do I need? I need my card holder, which has the rest of my cards. So these two are essential. Sorry about my dog. My clay, which has my driver's license. That is absolutely essential. And then hand sanitizer. I'm gonna take this one out. We all know it can fit if that's all you wanna put in it. But sunglass case. I could put it in here, right? It fits. Fits surprisingly a lot. My mask, obviously. My makeup. Do I have my phone? Oh, no, I don't have my phone. So phone's important, so I'm gonna take this out. I don't need that. So it's wonky. You see that? So I'm gonna take this out and put the glasses in maybe one of these. Pouch. The glasses are important. There. All right. So this has, goodness, it's got a lot. And I'm not even gonna put the mini pochette size pouch. I guess I can put it in, but I would have to take some other stuff out. But this is normally what I would carry. And if I want to put a little lipstick or whatever I can, but I'm not gonna do that. So can I snap it on? Yes, it closes very nicely. You can see the little bulging. And that's the nice thing about it. It does stretch. Now, if I wanted to put like something the size of mini pochette, and again, I'm not sure if this is exactly the mini pochette size because I don't have it, but I figure it's pretty similar. What am I gonna take out? I'm gonna take out maybe my glasses and put this in. Yeah, then it'll fit. Or if I take out the card holder and just have like a card case or just as clay. I always have my clay, so I have to have my clay. And then take out the Zoe wallet and just put glasses in it. Yep, there. Okay, so that's it. It gives you an idea how big or how many items you can put in here, and it's actually a lot. And I could still stretch it out and snap it. But look at the bulges. But that doesn't bother me. Typically, this is what I normally keep in my Evelyne TPM, my phone, AirPod Pro, hand sanitizer, Zoe wallet, clay, and a mask. Here's everything that I just mentioned, and I can also put a small glasses. My sunglasses are not huge, so I can put that on top. So here it is. Is this one. I don't know who makes it. I think it's a no-name brand, which fits perfectly, by the way, but it does limit it. It sort of like constricts how much you can put in. And also, I noticed that after wearing it like all day, I could see the line. So the leather itself is very soft and it's not lined. It's just the suede, the other side of the leather. And that's the thing about the Clemence leather without any bag organizer. You will see bulges. You will see like little, protrusions. If that bothers you, and I have decided that I'm just gonna wear it and not worry about whether something's gonna stretch or not. Wow, this is why I love wearing this bag now. It's a little heavier, but because it's got such wide strap, it is really comfortable. I have to say one thing negative about these straps is that sometimes it'll get twisted on my back, so it'll kind of like hit me on my back in a little wrong way. So I have to make sure that it's not twisted on my body as I'm putting this on. I wish there was a shorter handheld portion so that when I'm getting in and out of the car, I can just, grab onto the short top handle to grab it, but it's all right. I love, love, love this color. I feel like this blue jean color goes with everything, and it's neutral yet different. You know what I mean? And this one, for a small TPM size, I love the fact that it's a pop of color. It is so stinking cute. I wish this was adjustable. I'm 5'2", and I feel like it's a slightly like about an inch or inch and a half too long for my frame, or but other people have said that it looks fine. Now there is a little Hermès stamping right here, but I've seen a lot of used ones where this seems to go away with use as you touch it with your hand. So I'm very cautious that I don't try to touch my fingers over the foil stamping. So what do I think? Which one do I prefer? If I had to choose one for my lifestyle where I don't carry, normally I don't carry too much, but sometimes with the masks and the sanitizer and the whatever, I tend to go for this more. And because this is shorter, sometimes I feel like I'm a little bit afraid that things might fall out. Nothing's ever fallen out, but I'm worried that it might fall out because it is open. I don't normally snap it. I usually keep it open. I suppose if I snapped it, it would be less likelihood. I tend to use this more. And if I was to keep one over the other, I would say for me, I would keep the PM over the TPM. And that's also because I have the Speedy 20 in red Empreinte. And they're both red, they're both small, but this one fits a lot more and this one has the zipper on top. So when I think about, how much I use between these two, I use this one a lot more. So because I have another red bag that's small, I think for me, I would keep this over this. Even if I didn't have that red bag, I think for me, functionally, with all the crap that I normally carry, it would be this. And this one doesn't have the back pocket. I wish it had the back pocket. But that's okay. It's one of the lowest priced Hermès bags. And it is really, really cute. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found this helpful. Tell me what you think. Which one do you like better? Which one do you think would fit more with your lifestyle? Now, I've done a video with my sister where we swapped our favorite bags, and really what worked for me, what I loved my multi-pochette and I sometimes rave about it. She hated it and she loves her Chanel Vanity and I hated it. So, just because I like this bag better, it doesn't mean that this one is better. It is a better bag. It may not be for your lifestyle. So that said, I hope you found this video helpful and useful. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and please consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification so that you will be notified every time I upload more videos. Okay guys, bye.